Ecuador's Andes, south of the capital Quito. Here, almost 3,000 meters above sea level, lies a fertile valley, which is surrounded by the Paramo and impressive volcanic mountains. Brassica cultivation and processing of deep-freeze produce was started here by an agro-industrial group in 1989. Modern individually deep-freeze technology is used to produce frozen vegetables for export out of Ecuador. Two companies are backed by a committed management team and highly trained staff. Hacienda Nintanga, with its agricultural production and crop development, and the company Provefrut, where the processing and packing of frozen produce takes place. One unique and important asset of the farmland, Hacienda Nintanga, is its exclusive private ownership. Due to the close proximity to the equator, it is climatically possible to cultivate brassica crops year-round. A continuous supply of plantlets from the farm's own nursery is essential. The seeds are sown in special soil and grow under disease, temperature, and humidity control. Every week, about 4.5 million plantlets are grown this way in the greenhouses. 5 weeks later, the plantlets are generally large enough to be transplanted and are brought to the fields of the hacienda. To avoid damage from machinery, the plantlets are carefully replanted by hand. The cultivation is governed by internationally recognized fertilization and disease management guidelines as developed by American, European, and Japanese legislations. It is not only direct sunlight, but also the steady winds which lead to high levels of moisture evaporation. Modern irrigation technology provides precise water levels. Parameters like quantity, pH value, and conductivity are strictly controlled. Besides drip irrigation, most of the fields are irrigated by sprinklers. Hacienda Nintanga and its associates is one of the largest farming operations in the Ecuadorian Andes. 450 people are working here. They harvest about 1,000 hectares of fertile and irrigated farmland using internationally recognized cultivation practices. Besides broccoli, cauliflower, romanesco, and other low-volume vegetables are grown on the fields of the hacienda. In addition, Provefrut and Nintanga serve the organic market with annually more than 500 hectares of organic broccoli and cauliflower. In 1995, the company began construction of greenhouses. Now, over 30 hectares of sugar snaps, organic broccoli, as well as kosher products are grown under constant temperature and humidity conditions. Since transplanting the plantlets, 3 months have passed and the heads of broccoli have grown. The mature heads are harvested by hand, ensuring careful selection of quality product. 3 times a year, about 18 tons per hectare are harvested this way. The broccoli heads are immediately transported to the neighboring factory, the processing facility of Provefrut. Upon arrival, each consignment of raw material is checked to make sure it is up to par. Any substandard material is rejected. Each delivery is identified to retain full traceability back to the field of harvest. In the processing plant, the raw material is carefully selected by teams of trained cutters. This manual trimming is done to meet the client's strict specifications and ensures the consistent high quality of Provefrut's products. During all stages of production, the Provefrut Quality Control Department makes routine, random checks. These checks, made according to strict customer specifications, ensure the final high quality of the product. Substandard product is immediately identified and corrective actions are carried out. The checks are further enhanced by the Provefrut Microbiological Laboratory, which analyzes water purity and production line hygiene. The whole production process is controlled using HACCP principles and strict quality control policies. After cutting, the produce is sorted in different sizes, ranging from 10 to 60 millimeters. The semi-processed product is checked again, washed, and steam blanched to inactivate enzyme activity. It is quick chilled and transferred to the belt freezer, where it is subjected to temperatures of -30 degrees Celsius. All told, Provefrut runs 5 processing lines with a total capacity of more than 150 tons per day. In the packing room, the final frozen product is again manually inspected. Several automatic packing systems are available in order to fulfill clients' requirements, be it 10 or 20 kilogram bulk cartons, retail bags from 200 grams to 2.5 kilograms, and even a 300-gram click lock. The product is passed through a metal detection system and is then individually numbered to ensure product traceability. The stacked cartons are immediately transferred to cold storage until needed for onward shipping. Following a customer order, appropriate product is selected on a rotational basis to maintain accurate stock control. This product is then manually loaded into refrigerated containers. Every week, over 35 containers are loaded and transported to Ecuador's major port of Guayaquil for their journey to destinations worldwide. Here south of the capital Quito, Hacienda Nintanga and Provefrut are important employers with more than 1,500 workers. The company supplies important social benefits for its employees, as well as a canteen service and a medical center. The employees receive balanced nutrition and free medical attention by Provefrut's own doctors. With its latest agro-industrial production technology, a progressive management system, and internationally recognized quality standards, Provefrut offers year-round quality and innovation for their customers' health and satisfaction.